Hi Scorpio, this is your channel messages for the 14th of March. Scorpio, it is an 100% illumination of the moon today. Today is known as the blood moon. It actually was seen last night, yesterday, midday, and I'm getting the moon's illumination. Oh, it's actually a full moon today, Scorpio. So it's good to praise life. Okay, let's go ahead and go into your reading, Scorpio. So Scorpio, the dead illumination, I'm sorry, Scorpio, the dead card. The illumination, Illuminati, illumination of the moon is to light up, is to bring a light. When it's darkness, you can't see, you can't clean in the dark. I'm not sure what you can and cannot do in the dark, but are your eyes trained to live in darkness? I'm also getting Scorpio, Illuminati, illumination. Something is at 100% clarity. Something is 100% lit up. Now, usually, if something is 100% lit up, Scorpio, that means you can see it. That means there's no room for misunderstanding. That means something is truthful. Because they would say that the devil lives in the dark, right? Okay, so I'm getting something, so I'm getting the moon. Because you never hear they talk about illumination of the sun. You hear them talk about sun rays, radiation of the sun, but not illumination of the sun. Now, when there's a full moon in the sky or a moon in the sky, the absence of sun, it still lights up the planet, right? It still lights up Earth. You still can look up when there's a full moon and it illuminates the Earth. So I'm getting something about illumination, the mother. I'm getting something about blood and illumination, Illuminati. And Scorpio, I'm getting something about to be a part of the Illuminati is to rid oneself of lies. You have to be truthful. That's why it's so hard to get into. We're getting something has to be truthful. Something cannot be a lie. Illumination, it's 100% visible. That means it's transparent. I'm sorry, I was trying to show you transparent chair. I was trying to show you the transparent chair for dramatic effects, but never mind. Let's go ahead and go into your reading. Scorpio. We have the eight of swords, Scorpio. So that can be something about, well, it looks like a kidnap. I'm not sure what this is. I'm getting you holding on to somebody. I'm not sure if you kidnapped the daughter of a wealthy family. So I'm getting maybe it's because you're illuminated. You have really good ideas. You might be for Scorpio to stay somewhere, be somewhere, you're being hovered. I'm getting psychological techniques are being used on you because of what you know, Scorpio. Yeah, the sun and the moon. Because you never talk about the illumination of the sun. Why you kidnap the daughter and not the son? Why you never kidnap the son? Because that's the sun and the moon. That's the terror. My getting is about what you know. You're getting kidnapped because of information you know. Beyond what is told, beyond what can be seen. I'm getting you know things that are supposed to be in the dark. And that's why that's why you're being a target. Because we have the sun and the moon. They never talk about illumination of the sun, right? Because men are known to talk how them feel. Women not supposed to talk how them feel. Right? But I'm getting there's an illumination or something. You can't lie to your husband, but your husband can lie to you. Illumination. Something requires blood. Scorpio. We have the Eight of Swords and the Wheel of Fortune, okay? So I'm getting it's like you're being kidnapped for information. We have the sun, see the sun card came out now. We have the sun and the moon. So is someone a girl and not a boy? Because I'm getting, Scorpio, if there was something about a kidnap, I'm getting it may have been brothers and sisters. It's a boy and a girl. No, that's a girl being kidnapped. We have the sun and the moon and the terror. We have the sun card here. The sun card is a Leo, or it was reported that the boy got kidnapped, not the girl. I'm getting the girl did get kidnapped. Maybe they said it was a boy. I'm not sure if because somebody was guilty to say that they were irresponsible with their own daughter. But here's the sun. Now the sun is here. The sun is bright. The sun lights up the day, right? Great. But you kidnapped the daughter. Why you never kidnapped the son? I'm not sure what's happening. Scorpio, there's something. I'm getting a kidnap of a baby. Did you take someone's baby? Did you take someone's child from them? I'm getting you took someone's son from them. Scorpio, they had the Fool card. I'm getting freedom. The 9 of, yeah, I'm getting, you took someone's son. I'm getting something about somebody took it, the devil. Who did they take? I'm getting a Capricorn. Because I see you being kidnapped, brought somewhere. It's like you kidnapped and brought somewhere to start another life. Or to start a new life. Or something about someone save you from the frying pan to put it into the boiling pot. Something like that, Scorpio. Because we're getting a kidnapped here. 8 of swords. But I mean, yeah, here. Ending your reading. No, I won't lie. Maybe because I am so-called neighbors with Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Capricorn can be very evil. Capricorn can be the devil. Capricorn can be possessed. But I mean, coming from a Taurus, which is the Hierophant, which is the Pope. Good morning, Pope Francis. I hope you're okay today. And I hope that you are doing well on this Friday. Right? Even though Taurus is the Pope, I don't know what is it, but you know, Capricorns are, you see them have a Capricorn in them charts, a very significant placement. I trust it. They can do weird things that you don't understand. But if push come to shove and you can't talk, you can't walk, you can't see, you can't hear, Capricorn will know what to do with you. That's just how I believe. Because on top of Capricorn can be very evil, Capricorn can be obsessive. They're binding two people together. Why would the devil not make you stay alone? You notice why God make you stay alone but the devil bind you to somebody toxic? Because Jesus didn't die a married man. He probably had just like one little sexual encounter, maybe with Mary Magdalene. But why the devil make you be with somebody? Because even when God made Adam and Eve, there was still toxic shit there. How God make Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden and the devil was allowed to come there? Why God did make a devil? I don't understand. I feel like God did send the devil there. And if God sent the devil there, why would you make Eve to be a weak woman? Something that makes sense to me, Scorpio. Okay, something require blood. You as a man, you build a house for a woman. You are not in this house. You are there. You say you choose a great, and that can talk about even a marriage, Scorpio. Because if you choose a woman, you say this is your woman. You put her in a house. Oh, she fuck another man in the house. That don't make sense to me. When God, which was all knowing, all seeing, all love, all creating, if him to create Adam and Eve and create Eve to be a companionship to Adam, why would he create Eve with flaws? Eve never even did commit the sin of having sex with a snake. Why would God make you be alone but the devil bind you with somebody and tell you that even if somebody toxic, stay with them? Because I know that when a lot of Christians are alone, them on them pilgrimage. I was listening to Spiritual OG this morning. She had the devil card up as our YouTube thumbnail. Good morning, Spiritual OG. Spiritual OG, you are a great representation of a woman who, even though you could have said, and your father was a high-ranking member of the church, you did still have a daughter. And even though you still did believe in the church, Spiritual OG, you still did believe in the church even though your father was a high-ranking churchman. You come out with terror gifts. And I cannot imagine spiritual OG where you got through. And you had and I know that your father, your nasty blood clot father, I would talk, me with blood clot talk spiritual OG. You have a blood clot daughter, you have to set a blood clot example. I know your nasty blood clot cocky father, but you respect him. But spiritual OG, the devil card, me dream about the devil card too, you know. I may say who I use the devil card, me just check spiritual OG. YouTube this morning, she have a devil card up. Spiritual OG. Your father was a high-ranking member of the church. And you come out with clear audience, clear sentinel, very, very clear gifts. And I don't know what your father did do to you when you was younger. It's like him keep a try to baptize a demon out of you. Him was a high-ranking member of the church, and spiritual OG came out with gifts. And him say demonic. And God knows how she and her father fight. And sometimes the girls and them father is fighting about what them wearing. What type of pictures them putting up on social media. What kind of boyfriend them dating or not. Spiritual OG and our father had to fight because spiritual OG was a real blood clot psychic and our father was a high-ranking church member. It wasn't he a pastor? It's not like some of our fathers who is talking about we have problems. She had blood clot problems. She went on her pilgrimage, and I know her father didn't want her to date a church man for control her. And even when she still did follow her clear audience, clear sentient gifts of reading tarot on YouTube, giving spiritual messages, she still did believe in a relationship. She wasn't like some of us who be like, we now have no baby. She have a daughter. And she read tarot in front of our daughter. And she discipline our daughter in front of... Listen, hello, listen. Excuse me. I'm doing international spiritual affairs. You have to calm down, okay? And thank you for that bitch who was doing spell work on me. My daughter enjoyed ice cream. Thank you so much, right? Good morning, spiritual OG. I know the attack upon you. And I know your father didn't want you to have a son. It's a reason why you have a daughter. Your father would have taken your son and put him in the church and tell you the son say his mother mad. You had a daughter, spiritual OG, that is a reason. Just like you, and you read tarot in front of her. And sometime when spiritual OG read tarot, the daughter will be there and saying something. The daughter say, I saw a raccoon. You saw a raccoon? Yeah, I saw a raccoon. I'm telling you, baby. So I'm getting the energy of a raccoon. Baby, you gotta get used to these raccoons, right? Spiritual OG, you normalized it. Because some people don't want that around them kids. You have a kid, you are still continuing tarot. I don't know if it's spiritual OG. I just want, because I was listening to her this morning. I want to big up you and your daughter. Is there anything we can do to assist? I need assistance, I won't lie. But sometimes them will keep the assistance from me and give other people. So if there's anything anybody wants to do for spiritual OG, that is great. Let's get some cards. This could be an attempt to kidnap your daughter. Let's go. We have the soul was soul. Our dirty cocky father didn't want her to sell her soul. I don't know. He didn't want her going to church. For her to use her spiritual gifts for the church. For people say she have demon inside of her. The devil card. And that is, you hear what I tell you? I bet you that is what our father do her all her life. Tell her, say, demon inside of her. She need an exorcism, she need an exorcism. The soul was soul. Yeah, dirty cocky father, soul was soul. You can't cuss him, I can. We have Ophiuchus, the 13th zodiac sign, and tell you say you curse. I'm getting is multiple times I'm trying to kidnap you when you were in certain places, right? Yeah, political agenda. Worse, maybe your father wanted to be in politics and he wanted to use you because you're very influential. I'm getting something about a Scorpio placement. Religious agenda. Yeah, our father. I know our father makes you feel like she possessed or she was a demon or something was wrong with her all her life. She still did trust a man. According to the Bible. And what? She know a single mother. But she doing well. Yeah, politics. You probably was supposed to be very influential in politics. And we also have Wednesday. I'm getting something about next Wednesday. And secret society. Right, spiritual OG. If you look on her YouTube She have a devil card. Let me tell you why your father never liked spiritual OG. Why your nasty, non-Bible reading, alcoholic father never been like. Let me tell you why him never like. Him never like say you have better gifts than him and you wasn't in the church and him was a pastor. Him don't get the gifts like you. It's one thing when God tell you secrets. You see, when the devil tell you secrets, that's something different. God don't tell everybody secrets, and when God tell you secrets, sometimes I get it from the Bible. You see, when the devil is comfortable to tell you secrets, that's a different thing. Because the devil will tell you secrets as to how him corrupt people, just because he's bored and lonely. God tell the secret to protect yourself against the enemy, but God never really tell you the secrets of the devil. You have to hear it from the devil. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, Scorpio. Bye.